Hi friends, this video shows how to remove assistant menu. Here we can see the assistant menu. This we can move anywhere on the screen. So if we tap on this assistant menu, we can see a lot of options. So I will show you how to remove it. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select accessibility, select interaction and dexterity. So here we can see assistant menu. So right now it's enabled. Tap here and disable assistant menu. Tap here, then tap on turn off. See, assistant menu has been removed. So this way we can easily remove assistant menu. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.